Yo, come to do them different, you know. Amsterdam, big up all the Rastas, them. Little Rasta, General J, Patrick, Big Ras, all you use, look. Yeah. Me big time like box juice, me big time like bag juice. When I come through, you still see me with a fat suit. And I don't really catch youths on their ones, I catch them in a group. And it's just so sad to see that when I'm with them, man, I'm one in a zoo. I just talk on the truth and talk on my team too differently. Them I wanna talk on my team all the time, I don't know why they're watching me. They keep watching my shit, but then man can't even see my vision, G. I've been stepping through on my ones, them, just trying to complete my mission, G. I remember my God, she's got a nice breast, nice back, yes, nice titties. She's saying, yo, I go into my G, and it's for real, man, it's litty. And I don't really give a fuck where you are when you step round my city. 0131 shit, man, we too litty. Amsterdam's doing them different, man can't see my vision, no they can't even see my mission. And every time they see me with a zoot, a pool is exactly what them wishing. I said no, you can't hit on my zoot, keep bloody wishing. I said when I back at the ting, then man know that I'm going fishing. I had bear man out for me, bear man hate me on my ting. And fuck them man, they're just wishing, they're watching my ting. And I'm just trying to progress and succeed, but nobody wants to see that. So every time they see man, they just wanna pre that. So fuck them and everything else. I've been here on my ones in the dark, depressional shit. Amsterdam's been here and I've been here doing my shit. And everybody wanna watch my shit and talk my shit and paint some image. Keep paying what you want about me, dog, I don't give a fuck, man, I'm still doing my fucking good shit. Man, still living my best life, man, still here with my blessed guys. I still been bunning zoot red eyes, man can't talk for my team at all. I've been here, I've been doing this shit clear, and them man been watching me from day. But I don't know what else to really say, it's a freestyle thing, they watch me anyway. It's Amsterdam, man, I do them different. I'm a ganja man and I do them different. They wanna see my zoots and see my visions, they can't watch me and watch my missions. I've been out here for day one, dog, and you should have seen it. And when me and my G's them got a big fat zoot, we wash it and clean it, we keep it and clean it and park it off. Man talk about my ting but I bark it off, I got a big fat split, yeah. And I spark it off, man watch my ting too much, and I don't give a fuck too much.